Sawubona mfundi, ibizo lami nguBongiwe Mntambo. Let me teach you today the days of the week in Ndebele. I'll also teach you how to use them in sentences, right? You want to be able to say things like, on Tuesday I will cook some fish. On Friday I will visit my friend. So we'll use them in sentences. Then I'll also teach you how to ask questions using the days of the week. All right, so let's get started. Monday is called Umvulo ngesiNdebele. Umvulo. Tuesday, Olwesibili. Wednesday, Olwesithathu. Thursday, Olwesine. And Friday is called Olwesihlanu. Saturday, Umgqibelo. And lastly, we have Sunday, Isondo. Just a bit of background maybe to help you understand. Umvulo is called that because it's the opening of the week. NgesiNdebele, vula means open. So Monday being the opening of the week, we say umvulo. And then from Tuesday, when we say Olwesibili, we're saying the second what? Day. Olwesibili usuku. Olwesithathu usuku. Right, we're saying the third day, all the way to Friday. Olwesihlanu usuku. Okay. Then umgqibelo is like the last. It's the last. But there's Sunday, right, which could be like an extra day. So Sunday is called Isondo, and also church is called Isondo, right? So the day may have been named after the fact that people normally go to church on Sunday. Now, for you to use them in sentences, here's what you can say. Ngizakwakha umduli ngomvulo. Always when you're saying I will do this, you go with ngiza, right? So ngizakwakha umduli, what does that mean? It means I will build a wall on Monday. Ukwakha is to build. Number 2, ngizagebha umthombo ngolwesibili. I will dig a well on Tuesday. Ngizagebha. Ukugebha is to dig. 3, ngizabaza itafula ngolwesithathu. Ukubaza ikwenza. Ukubaza is to do carpentry. So ngizabaza itafula, I will make a table. I'll do some woodwork and create a table on Wednesday. Siyaqhubeka. Ngizadlala umdlalo ngolwesine. Ukudlala is to play. So umdlalo is a game. I will play a game on Thursday. Friday, ngizacenta utshani ngolwesihlanu. I will slash the grass on Friday. Siyaqhubeka. Ngizahlinza imbuzi ngomgqibelo. Ukuhlinza means to slaughter. And what is imbuzi? A goat, So you're saying I will slaughter a goat on Saturday. Lastly, ngizapheka inhlanzi ngeSonto. I will cook what? I'll cook fish, inhlanzi ngeSonto. Kuyezwakala yini? I hope it's making sense. So that's how you would say, I'll do this, I'll do that. But now, if you want to be the one asking the question, you want to say to someone, what will you be doing on Monday or on Wednesday or on Friday? This is what you're saying ngesiNdebele. Uzakwenzani ngomvulo? What will you do on Monday? Uzakwenzani ngolwesithathu? What will you do on Wednesday? Uzakwenzani ngolwesihlanu? What will you do on Friday? And then if you wanted to ask 2 or more people, plural, it's where you're going to say lizakwenzani ngomvulo. What will you guys, plural, what will you guys be doing on Monday? Lizakwenzani ngomgqibelo. What will you guys do on Saturday? Right. More questions you can ask around the days of the week. You can ask someone in the past, what were you doing on Sunday? What were you doing on Tuesday? What do you say? Wawusenzani ngeSonto? What were you doing on Sunday? Wawusenzani ngolwesibili? What were you doing on Tuesday? Then if you want to ask them where they were, for example, you were looking for this person, so you want to say, hey, I came looking for you. Where were you on Thursday? Wawungaphi ngolwesine? Wawungaphi ngolwesihlanu? Where were you on Friday? Let me know if you managed to follow with me and you're getting this in, you're going to use it in conversation. Remember, you need to speak a language to learn it. I'll see you in the next lesson.